Jaipur, the pink city of India, is famous for its royal palaces, colorful bazaars, and warm hospitality. Here are the top 10 spas in Jaipur, India that redefine relaxation and luxury. The first one is Jiva Spa, set in the opulent Taj Rampag Palace. Jiva Spa is a symbol of royal wellness. It offers holistic treatments inspired by ancient Indian rituals, using pure oils and herbal extracts. The spa's regal ambience, professional therapists, and signature resorts such as Vishrama and Shushapte promise a deeply rejuvenating experience fit for royalty. The second one is Zero Two Spa, located within the Lalit Hotel. Zero Two Spa is a luxurious wellness destination offering a wide range of international and Indian therapies. Guests can enjoy aromatherapy, Swedish massages, and beauty treatments in a serene setting. The third one is Tetwa Spa. Tetwa Spa is known for blending Ayurveda with modern wellness techniques. Their massages, detox therapies, and facials use natural products to restore energy and balance. With elegant interior and expert therapies, this spa provides an ideal retreat for business travelers and leisure guests alike. The fourth one is the Leela Spa. The Leela Spa brings royal wellness to life with signature therapies inspired by Indian and international healing traditions. The spa features luxury suites, calming fragrances, and organic oils to create a holistic rejuvenation experience. The fifth one is Moksha Himalaya Spa. Moksha Himalaya Spa at ITC Rajputana offers a royal escape through its holistic approach to mind and body wellness. Their menu includes Ayurvedic massages, deep tissue therapy, and aroma-based treatments. The next one is Kayakalp. Kayakalp is one of the Jaipur's most exclusive spas, designed to regenerate both body and spirit. Inspired by the ancient healing science of India, it offers a range of treatments such as body, wraps, scrubs, and signature massages. The next one is Spa at Fairmount Jaipur. Fairmount Jaipur Spa combines Mughal-inspired architecture with world-class therapies. The spa's menu include hot stone massages, hydrotherapy, and holistic body rituals that bring deep calmness. With candlelit rooms and aromatic oils, every treatment here feels like a royal ritual. The next one is Oriza Spa and Wellness. Oriza Spa is a peaceful urban retreat that offers personalized wellness treatments. Guests can choose from Thai, Balinese, Swedish, and Ayurvedic massages, all delivered by professional therapists. The second last is the Spa by JW. The Spa by JW offers modern luxury and relaxation with signature treatments that combine ancient Indian techniques and modern methods. Guests can enjoy facials, full body massages, and specialized rejuvenation therapies. The last one is Amatra Spa. Amatra Spa at Triton Hotel is known for its peaceful lakeside setting and expert therapists. This spa offers Ayurvedic massages, beauty therapies, and meditation sessions designed to relax both mind and body.